It's Wednesday listening. And this week, as our lesson is about cooking, using the clues, can you guess the food just from the ingredients given to us by the teachers? Can you? Well, Ruby, get us started.
Thanks, Brent. You need flour, eggs, milk, and if you want, chocolate to make this birthday treat. What is it? Over to you, Ali.
Thanks, Ruby. Rice, seafood, and rabbit go into this traditional Spanish dish. What is it? Over to you, Demon.
Thanks, Ali. Lettuce, tomato, a round piece of meat, and don't forget the cheese and a pickle. What is it? Over to you, Brent.
Thanks, D-Man. Well, do you think you have them all three? Send us back your answers so that we can correct them.